Here's an iconic hot rod, 1940 Ford Coupe. These cars have been popular in hot rodding circles for quite some time. This particular one done up in champagne color, I would say. Champagne gold, champagne beige. Nice looking color in this car, subtle but elegant. Give it a nice hot rod look. As you can see, riding on wide whites. American Racing polished wheels. Check out the chrome front end on these with bright work and the chrome. This one in nice shape. Is a little bit of pitting in the headlight bezels. There's two sets of headlight bezels that will go with this car, new in the box. Underneath the hood, 396 powered, that's paired with a TH 400 automatic transmission, which is also paired to a 10-bolt rear end, 373 gears, posi traction. Now, if you want to check out the underside, see that, check out the engine bay interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. You can always call us also, 507-386-1726. This particular car is steel with the exception of the two rear fenders. Otherwise, this car is steel. Paint on it is nice shape. I did notice one little kind of must have had a little bit of a dinger that they repaired up here. It's not the easiest to see. There you can kind of get an eye of it, but I want to point it out just so you know. I'll show you something else when we get around to the rear of it too, but not full of nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the sides. It does have a 40 style bench seat in it, actually an authentic 40s bench seat that has been recovered. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Car's a great looking stance to it. Now, did mention the rear end being the 10-bolt, 373 gears. There are also adjustable coilovers in the rear and a 3-link ladder bar system. Up front, we have a Heights front end Mustang 2 style, Flaming River rack, and 2-inch drop spindles, FYI. Now, something I did want to point out back here since I was here, there is a crack in this flat piece of glass in the rear window. Over here in a box, this will be in the trunk. There's a replacement glass, and there is also the gasket that goes around the rear window. And then that blue box will be the headlight bezel. So those will be in the trunk and included in the sale of this car. Remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click in the link. It's going to take you right there. See the wide whites in the back here too, but a cheater style slick. Checkered flags for tread. Kind of a cool look. Old school hot rod. And again, look at the driver's side. It's not full of scratches, dings, or nicks. You might find an imperfection here or there, but overall, nice looking paint. Take this to your local cruise-ins, local shows. This car will turn some heads. Been in our area for the last 8 to 10 years, I suppose. Attended some of our major shows in the area here. All right, door panel carpeting finished off in kind of a beige copper combination. Dolphin gauges, about 6,000 miles since those have been installed, and from what I went through, it looks like everything worked. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It is a little bit cold-blooded, but let's get her going and get her warmed up. Seeing here, Ron. Here's the fuel pump. There is a fan switch over here also. Make you aware of that. As you can see, oil pressure, volts, tachometer, fuel. I didn't get into the water temp there because, like I said, I've not had it running, so it's going to come up with temperature. Alright, I want to slip around behind so you can hear the front. A little rumble coming out of that 396, sounds good. Alright, slip up to the front here. I want to pause this a second. We'll get the hood unlatched, pop it open, so check out that engine bay. listen to that engine with the hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. We have an Edelbrock intake, Collie carb, HEI ignition. Of course, at 396 underneath there, and once again paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. That's 373 rear gears. This one's ready to go down the road. If you're looking for an iconic 1940 Ford Coupe, here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you check out the pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.